It's Coco Faye, and I'm back with another video. And before we get started, please hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. Today, we're going to do this video a little bit different. Yes, it's a fashion video, but what happened was I was actually looking in my closet, and I'm like, let's see what I have in my closet. And what I noticed is I have a lot of animal print dresses. So I wanted to show you some of the animal print dresses that I have, that just shop my closet. As you know, on this channel, I do not style my clothing. I just show you what it is, only because I am a ballin' on a budget type of chick. I want my stuff at a very low, and I want to show that everyone doesn't have money, and if you don't have to feel bad. You still can look excellent and look good. So I don't style, I just show. So with that being said, let's get started on this animal print. I'm not going to describe it because a lot of it is old, and it's not too old, maybe a year or so, but it comes out of my closet, so I'm just going to display it and y'all can swatch. Let's go.
Sticking to the code, all these hoes for the street. I put it in her nose, it's gon' make her pussy weak. Pussy niggas told ain't gon' wake up at they sleep. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do shrooms, nigga, all my hoes do coke. 20 carat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carat, she might choke. I know she gon' swallow, she'll go. Free band, nigga, bring no rats in. Got shooters in the corner like the pack in. She think that she's at it, bitch, she attractive. That's that shit that get you put up at the section. And the model still the same. Ball like I won a championship game. You know these hoes hungry, they gon' fuck for a name. I put her on the game, she get fucked for a chain. Got your girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. Girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. I got syrup in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. Every's about to syrup in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. Every's about to corners on me, baby, you know it's game time. Bring a friend, bitch, we fuck them at the same time. I'm a different nigga, no, we not the same kind. You can't have that look, bitch, you ain't mine. Selling dope, cause you like that. Kicking doors, kicking in doors, cause you like that. Young cold nigga selling lows, cause you like that. I'm 24, you won't go, cause you like that. Niggas from the bottom really like, cause you like that. Stepping in releases if you like, cause you like that. Pop another bottle if you like, cause you like that. I'm 24, you won't go, cause you like that.
These niggas talking out of their neck. Don't put no coffin out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. BOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say there's a lot of goofies with a check. I mean, I hope them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but cannot be legit. No 40 water, tell him. Yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak dissing. First person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I'd crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. It's up. Lost too many soldiers.
Okay, y'all, as y'all saw, I have several pieces that are animal print, and this piece and the piece prior to, as you can see, they are sisters. One was long sleeve, one was short sleeve. They're made a little bit different, but still the same pattern. I just wanted to show you that, just display all the different pieces. But the reason I wanted to display all those pieces is that those pieces are very nice, but each one of those pieces, after I looked at the tags, because I have the tags on many of them, all of them were up under $10. $10. This dress don't look $10, does it? No. So I just always want to come on here and bring you items that are reasonably priced or below reason. I think everybody can afford to pay $10 for an outfit if you have somewhere special that you need to go, or you have something that is themed for animal print. If I can find all these items, I will make sure that they're linked below. Please go down in the description box, read what I have going on, because I do have a Patreon, and I would love for you guys to join. I display more items that you won't see on here, or I can't show on here. So if you want to join that, please go below and copy the link and join. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to bring you more lookbook books out of my closet, or shop my closet looks that I have. Other than that, I would like to ask you to please like, share, comment and subscribe, and make sure you come back every week and see what I have going on. And I greatly appreciate it. Like always, my cocoa nuts, I love y'all. Bye. See y'all next week. Like who says this? Is it Seti or Martin? I holla. Bye.